Na gosogere omwancho murigere bigata sendi Ndizi TV waire bya chiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chabo na mugoroba sentundende ngoko ariga nyanya ko bagosanga amona inche amayenga nyale ko bagagwateka kurwa kete goikira chinga kiechi asende no gosemerenga no gene to kwego kena kwemanya na boigo gwasemia kubwatekana na emerobeli ao etogende to ko kwariganire kurwa sigeta sendi Ndizi TV ritaria na goro kwa Josephat Amisi boigo to kubwatana naire wetera somo no bemanyereryo nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta ngwera nande sekero getali getambe ilinjana ko batokumanya ni amange nganyale ko bagagwateka. News digital na boy wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News karibu sana onyale ko bogwemanya nganyale ko bagagwate katogo chaka kurwa county ya Kisii anene ase abawakili me county ya Kisii banyala ko bakorobekana litukolya lero anene gochia ase enyomba ye Chindemero imeya omoche obosonga sekali bagoteba obokoreri obube bw'umunyakero gosomoteneneri anene bwa sector ye Chindemero imeye county ya Kisii Chinsa yenda kubwatekana naba wakili abo nigo batebire buna obokoreri bwaye Chinsa yenda nigo bwabire obobe ase ayendo monyina taranyala ko bakwena na liba gochia saba wakili abo rinde banyale ko bakotegerera ekerero kyabo litkolya lero nigo korobekana okukwanyala ko bakolekana imeyo mochi obosonga sia beterelie boigo anene abanyanyimbo ko basigeta seni kia Kisii Central kwesokia na boigo gotubania okorobekana ko agwetera senchira yokotura gosioko rutachitiaga sechenyara ko bachiko saberania abawakili abuime county ya Kisii nonya nabonigo abawakili abanyale ko bakolira ngamba chiko bakogendera aneno korobekana okugoikera chinga kichiria omobisa oyobwe Chindemero Chinsa yendo nyale ko bagakurusigwa ase obisiyo boteneri bwa sector o sense media ye Chindemero ime county ya Kisii.
We are surprised by the decision of the police officers to decide to riot, because on our side we were on a very peaceful possession to the county land registrar, who last week called us fraudsters. I think the land registrar needs to be reminded that the same things that he was doing in Nyandarua, that he was forced to leave, he cannot bring them here. And Kisii cannot be a dumping site for rogue officers. We are telling the land registrar that we are not going to retreat, no matter the amount of tear gas, no matter how many days the police are going to riot. We are going to give this push to the end until Ayenda goes. Thank you so much.
Bienveno sano kurubekana ukoko wakili nentunda ya kabere boniga ise yechuwiki ibere togosuka mutwe kubwatekana na ogokonga nogo kina kweligoliria mabuta anene ase sector yobosombi ase orosagia rua Kisii nigo wono abagwatani abuna bateneneri banyale ko bagwesokia na commentary golirio bosombi ase kerango kia emeronge tato ase emia kubwatekana bateneneri abo nigo batebire anene ligoliria mabuta nigo nyareko baligo kina aya nigachire mbagaye bunge enene ko bwatoka gosegoetia anene lichiko lilio komenteka kwa ebango imeyense ya Kenya gati yabo ebango elia ya mabuta kurwa sekerengo kelie kia gatano na gatatu goikera Ikomi na gatano limo.
Sauli sasa mafuta ndiye imeenda vibaya, tukaona wacha tuongeze nauli. Sio kupenda yetu, ni hali kufinywa tumefinywa. Sasa bei ndiye imekuwa mbaya. Sasa kila mtu mahali yako anajua mafuta imeenda vibaya, lazima bei ipande.
Hivyo abiria pia akiambia ongeza, nasema si pia abiria pia analia. Sasa unajua wenye magari wanafikiria si makondakta ndio labda tunaweka kwa mifuko ya nyuma. Naumia sana. Na gari yenyewe ikipita ikienda mwenye gari anaimulika kwa simu akiangalia gari yangu naona inaenda. Anadhani iko na pesa lakini haina pesa. Polisi nao unajua kawaida lazima watunze.
Mwanzo tulikuwa tunatumia 500 kutoka Kianja mpaka hapa. Lakini sasa ni double. Sasa hizi tunatumia 1000. So tunaona kweli maisha yamepanda.
Togos kamutwe omwancho murigereria ni gobono omokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua serituko ria kabera genda toko bakomerana amana babwatani agati yabo abaremi ba oboremi bwe ekemerigie chaime county ya Kericho okwana kurwa chinsemo echo ni Gachagua tebire bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza ebegetemero beri elikore kwene kibuna nyale kobe koreta amonchererio asoboremi obubwe chae naboigo oboremi bwebimeri aimese ya Kenya nigerengete anene kwenekia una omuremi onyale koba kwenyorera engeria elie isaine asobokoreri bwa iboboremi bwa kirarituko.
On behalf of my boss President William Ruto, that the reforms we are going to agree on, our two houses of parliament where we have the majority, the Senate and the National Assembly, we will make the various amendments into law. Thereafter, the President and I and the ministers responsible will ensure 100% compliance with the law. This is part of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. And we are very serious about it. It cannot be that I'm here in Kericho for 3 days just to hang around. Na hii baridi ya Kericho siwezi kuja hapa na hii baridi. Sisi tumekuja hapa kazi. Na hii kazi, you know, many people when we were doing coffee, those cartels thought that ni ile mchezo wamezoea. Ati watu wanaongea alafu wanatutafuta milioni 10, milioni 20, alafu hiyo maneno nasaulika. I want to tell the people who are here, in all the sectors, KTDA, T-Board, Nani, it's not business as usual. And these 2 days here is not a joke.
Togos kamutwe okobwaterana gati ya serikali ya Kenya na boigo ekiombekerie giense kurigereria chindagera World Food Program nigo bwanyale ko bogoikirania amaganio ya Kenya gati ya bokwenekia buna keromo Kenya na nyalire koba igakonyora endagera senchire bwikirano gago kwana alituko liarero mo cabinet secretary Musale Mudavadi imeye county ya Mombasa nigo boigo anyale koba kogokera obokoreri obuya bwekiombeke kia World Food Program asanyale koba korua okoboria gochia sebyombe abitali bya serikali nebiri bya serikali binyare koba biko bwaterana liko ene kia bunense ya Kenya yanyale koba konyora endagire isaine.
There's a console up.
Mr. Robert. How are you doing?
Thank you.
You know, when is the month?
Global community to continue fostering strategic collaborations with governments. United Nations organizations, multilateral climate funds, thematic platforms, and research partners must be enjoined in the singular purpose of tackling the climate crisis facing us.
That smallholder farms in those areas that we are giving food and cash transfer, that we can even be able to buy food from them, that they can be able to do a little bit of agricultural activities, farming, such that we are able to empower them.
It was really a special moment. The joint participation of the government of Kenya and WFP together, it really underscored our joint commitment to addressing the critical issues of food security.
Una enchire ya moyo kwenekia buna ense ya Kenya yenyale koba gukinia ekerengo kieligesanigo esekta yobokoreri bwa serikali yekoragwa na Felix Koskei yenyale koba gwasokia na kwenekia buna abaremi anene imense ya Athina tana banyale koba kwegenderia kubwatekana ne chindoche echibere chigutwara macha isaine yaranyale koba konyorokereria ebimeri no nyane chinga kichiria anene chia omurakera omotindi nonyana Felix Koskei boiganyale kobaga koborie byombe biri bitali bya serikali binyale ko bikweneka bya bwaterana na mone serikali koleta emeroberio agochiase abamenyi abubale ange ne chindoche echo ibere.
There's a console up.
Mr. Robert. How are you doing?
Thank you.
You know, when is the month?
We need private sector investors to come and work together, and that has been that has been a very clear call from national government that the government cannot deal with this production alone. They want private sector to do what they know best.
The most important thing, standard, is our interest to see that this canal is rehabilitated and the flows gets water throughout the year. That will benefit not only the national government, even the local community in this area.
Tuna support huu mradi kwa udi na uvumba. Sisi ni wakulima, wafugaji na wakulima wa mimea. Tuna support. Na kama mimi mlemavu ambaye ni chairman area hiyo, nitasupport huu mradi na tunataka uendelee.
Omurakera no kuburwa amache anene asechi county aimeyense ya Kenya niyo yabere muchando omonene gochia seba menyibe Chinsa mecho yakogera litukulia lero botenene bwe county ya Kajiado isio mwaziri wa amache me county yo yanyara kwa bagwe sokia na gocha kumurobere bwo kwena na obosemia bwobuya bwoko gacha amache yembura anene chinga kichimbre gendete kwa bagwe gotwa ime county eyo ya Kajiado mwaziri oyibo igoniga birenga serikali ya county yanyare kwa bagwe kubwatera na amone byumbe by'abantu bene lyokweneke buna yanyalire kwa bwekwena na chitangi cyoko gacha mache gochia saba menyabo rinde banyale kwa bagwe konya chinga kichirie cyumurakero mutindi batoke ngamba bwata mache ekolengana no kugacha amacha yo anene chinga kichi embulegende to kwa bagwe gotwa
near any rains at the moment. So what will happen is we will seek ways and means of connecting them to available water sources around, maybe boreholes, maybe dams, and through the capacities that they have, we will then look at safety and cleanliness of that water from that point. There is a lot of fatigue about providing particular services and commodities, but when you provide preparedness aspects like the tanks, then you are sure of a future that is promised.
A number of them that prioritize their water tanks for storage and preservation of water, rainwater harvesting.
So when they have storage facilities, they will be able to access water easily and at the household level.
We are actually focusing on the runoff so that there is no water that is wasted within our neighborhood or our homes. We have dry rivers, we need major dams to catch up the runoff. We need to develop sand dams. We need to develop even small dams.
Etogos kamotwe anene ime county ya Nairobi aso mugavana be county Johnson Sakaja litkolia leranya lekobaga kubwato kachibesa chekerengo yechi milioni emia ya mogo chia sechiskuru chiria chia ECD lekwenike bunonya lekoba kwena na ogosira kwa bene sechiskuru chinya lekoba chikwegendereria asobo koleri bwabo bwakira yituko kwa na somo yego nyara lekoba kolekana ime ye county ya Nairobi nigo Sakaja boiganya lekoba korwaira nga ase ime ye county ya Nairobi serikali enene kubwaterana amone serikali ya county ine chikoba boigo ekwenekia buna omuroberi yori bwokwena na chindagera gucha chisukuru gosibukorageria bana chisukuru nonyare kobago kogendera elio kwena na anene chisemi gochia sabana asenchira yobororo
key equalizer, and any investment we put in education will come back. More than anything else, whatever you put into education is an investment that has a direct return. It's up to us to give our children this great gift and to make sure that this gift is given equally. As Mheshimiwa Atito has said, all our children deserve the same standard. My child should get what your child is getting. There is no child of a lesser God in Nairobi. And they will eat from the 28th of August until the day Jesus comes back. So for as long as he has not yet come back, every day our children will get a hot meal in their schools by this county government and our successive county governments. As 10 MCAs you have allocated, you had given me in the last financial year 500 million that started the construction. You have added another 1.2 billion for feeding the children. And by the way, we're getting a lot of support. Just on Friday, I have gotten an additional $1 million from the French government to support this program. This is Africa's largest school feeding program.
Togoska mutwenigo abakagerwa batatu banyareko bakobekwa biara amuna abanyanyimbo imeyensemo ya Gatundu me county ya Kiambu kubwatekana no konyorekana amone nyasore eyo eisaine shilingi emilioni eyemo kubwatekana gose kolengana na moteneneri bo banyanyimbo imeyensemo ya Gatundu nigateba enyasore yenyarako bekonyorekana gesimekire obwamo nebituma ime company omonto bene asensemo eyo ya Gatundu no nyana bonigo abakagerwa bo bagendete ko bakorerwa oburingorie eri komanya ngoirete gusimeka enyasore yo anene ase company eyo monto bene.
We have been able to arrest 3 suspects who are in the farm. They are disguising they were doing other types of farming, maize farming, but in the farm they had some plantations of this cannabis sativa that is being used by our youth around areas of Gatukoyo and Moya.
Na hawa mabusa hata wale tumewapata huko, wengine tumewaoji wanatoka mbali, Mount Elgon, wengine wanatoka Murang'a, shughuli zao ni tofauti. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba kama wanaajiriwa kazi wasiingie kufanya kazi mbaya kama hizo. Na sana sana tunashukuru Mautages team yetu vile litasa hiyo information na wakanunua hiyo information na mmoja wao akajitolea akawaonyesha mahali shamba iko. Asante.
Nago ikirago mwancho murigire bigata seni Ndizi TV no to ikira omweri wa mangana Amayia senchera yo bwenge Chinsa Ikomi chia bono mugoroba tikangiriri bagiri gwakaranga mbiemno asokwera libagari yao kwendeka kwanyara kobogo sanga amona intwe Amayia yana bwigomero beli airi togenda tokoba tugo kwaliganeria kurwa segeta seni Ndizi TV oli nyara koba gakoene kiabuna Amayia gotere gwetera sombu no gwibimanyereri gakoro kwa Joshua Auta na bwetera sechibi channel yogi nigakoro kwa Abigari Nyanchameli tera nengoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kuganerie oburigererio bya obwemero beli kobwatia imegeta seni Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.